I'm going to assume that you came here from my Etsy page after purchasing the clamp kit version 2. It's new and improved. So to start off with, here's your clamp stop. This is the new block sled. It's cast, the steel screws are cast inside of the plastic sled, so no more 3D printed part there, a lot more resilient. And then also the block that makes the whole thing work. Plus I'm throwing in a set screw. You can get these in various lengths, but so I included a 30mm one, and I'll show you some of the advantages of that. Once you have your Harbor Freight bar clamp, you'll notice that there's a little cotter pin at the back end of the bar clamp, and there's one at the very front. I knocked the one at the very front out so you can get the clamp stop, slide that over, and then you're good to go. You won't be needing that pin in there anymore. Put the screw sled in the bottom, fit it into the T slot, grab your block, grab your Allen wrench that came with the Shapeoko, screw it in place, and you're done. Now you'll be able to move it back and tighten it up however you want. Now when you first get it, it could be a little bit tight to move around, but it won't take long for that to wear down, so it's a nice tight fit, but it'll slide back and forth more easily. Also make sure your tracks are clean. That's gonna, or cleared out of junk. That'll help the sliding action a lot better. In this version 2 clamp kit, I ended up using this little set screw, and I thought this was pretty slick rather than those 3D printed sleds. And so we're going to use just that one simple piece, the threaded insert, over molded insert. You just drop it in here and screw it down to the height you want. You can drop it down. It will bottom out at the bottom of the track, which will make this thing slide back and forth. It'll be a lot harder to slide it, so you don't want to do that. Just keep it up off the bottom and you'll always be able to move this back and forth. These screws will dig into metal. This thing will hold whatever you throw at it. Okay, that's it. I'd love to hear your feedback. If there's any complaints, if you guys have any suggestions for something that you'd like to see as part of this kit, I can make prototypes, send them out to you. You have an idea, bounce it off of me so I can make this kit better. I wanted to say thank you very much for buying the clamp kit. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoy working with it as much as I do. And I think you're going to find that the speed and the utility this thing has is pretty sweet. And you'll be able to grip it and rip it. And thank you for the business.